Major improvements are on the way and they're going to continue to come. We are announcing today our new support channel. You could find it at redtorrentmedia.support. So redtorrentmedia.support is going to be our new support channel. A lot of our platforms such as programmatic TV, digital billboard app, geofencing app, ringless app, all of our premium platforms are now going to be merged in regards to support to this designated area. So in short, what I'm basically saying is if you're ever needing any type of help with our platforms, maybe you're in our white label, you have some questions, we're gonna bring them all to this area. Alongside that, and I'm gonna give you a tour of the area, but you're gonna be able to get support via our mobile app as well. So this area here, if you have our mobile app, it's just 10 times easier to open up a ticket and engage with us on many different levels. So if you're not registered via our support ticket, just go ahead and sign up anyway. So in the case that you need to open up a ticket, you have it all here. So there's no more guessing or anything like that. We're just, again, improving more. Right now, we currently provide support inside of our platforms. And we also provide support via email as well, devsupport@redtorrentmedia.app. So those will still be available to you. But when it comes to our platforms, as you know, then within the next couple of weeks, we're going to be working on just migrating them all here to just make things a little easier for everyone. So you don't, so let's say like you have geofencing app, then you have programmatic TV app, and you need help for both. You're just looking for some guidance. You'll come here and you'll open up a ticket for both to just iron those out really quick. Super easy. So again, I'm going to drop those links down below, redtorrentmedia.support. That's where you're going to get the support that you're looking for. So I'm going to go ahead, and what I'm going to do here is I'm going to log in. We have lots more coming to this area, including a news feed where it's going to allow me to basically continue to share any strategies that I use right now in my business with you within the support area, so that you can continue to educate yourself and lots more. Right now, what you can do is you could request a consultation. Right now, our cost is $200, but keep in mind that that's going to allow you to speak to Asan, my head developer, and again, that's going to allow you to engage us for 2 hours, and you could split that time up. You could read more about it on the ad consultation. Now, if you want general support, you would just go ahead and open a new ticket, and then you would just put your title and description letting us know what that's about. That'll come to us directly. So again, keep in mind that you could get the same exact support via our app, and as you may already know, you could access all of our platforms via the app as well, and we're just going to continue to keep improving. Right now, we have over 100 plus installs on the app, and it's pretty cool to see that. You can see that right here. So with that being said, look, we're going to continue to keep improving here, and I just wanted to upload this video to let you in on what's going on and where you could get support. We have so much on the way. You have absolutely no clue. In the next couple of days, we're going to be announcing our platform release for IVRs, and it's a pretty exciting time. And I know our next platform, I know for sure that it's going to continue to impact your business, and not only that, allow you to see a lot of what we do here on the marketing side when it comes to lead generation and all that from a completely different perspective. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Remember, redtorrentmedia.support. That's where you would come and get support. And I'm just going to leave a link to the app as well. Install the app. We have some really cool features in there as well that will allow you to take the same approach, engage with us personally, strategically, and it'll allow you to communicate with us lots more. So with that being said, I look forward towards seeing you inside. Speak soon.